Hey, thanks for stopping by my living room. Angela from Creating It here. And have I got a cool little tip to share with you today? Did you know that you can cast on your stitches onto your knitting needle without first tying a slip knot? I remember years ago when a friend showed me how to do this, and I was just so astounded at how easy it was. And it starts off by putting two stitches on your knitting needle instead of one. So this is a really cool mega tip that has helped me out a lot through the years. So go ahead and grab your knitting needle and let me show you how to do this. All right, so let me show you how we're going to cast on without using a slip knot. So go ahead and get your yarn, leaving a tail long enough for the amount of stitches that you need to cast on. Then holding your yarn in an arch shape, go ahead and place that arch over your thumb and your index finger, just like so. Then grab the two sides together and then hold them closed with your remaining three fingers. Now you want to keep a little bit of tension on these two fingers outwardly so it holds the yarn nice and firmly. Now get your needle, put it through the opening right there under that yarn, and hold that down with your other index finger. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and cast on like you normally would by going under the yarn on the left and then over the yarn on the right and then between that opening. Then just gently pull down, and there you have cast on two stitches and you're ready to begin. So now what you would do is you would just finish casting on the rest of your stitches just like normally. And there's no knot. And that is how you cast on without using a slip knot. Okay, really super simple, yet really super cool, right? Let me know in the comments below what you think of this method, or if you prefer to use the slip knot. So until next time, I'll see you later.